Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Rubel. Today we will learn how to add WordPress website to MAMP server. Requirements to add WordPress to MAMP server are WordPress must be available in your Windows system. MAMP server must be downloaded and installed in your Windows. We already completed both requirements in previous video. I will share link in the description so that you can complete those two requirements, then continue to this tutorial. So let's get started. Let me share my second window. So by default, MAMP will be stored in the C drive. So right now I am in the C drive and you will see MAMP. Just double click on it. Go to htdocs. So these htdocs will store our website. So right now it has index and the log. We are going to create a new folder here. And name of this folder, let's say demo. This demo is nothing but name of our website. Next, we are going to copy WordPress file to our demo folder. So let me go to the download. Click on the WordPress. Select all the file and folder, copy and paste it here. So it will take a few seconds or few minutes based on your computer speed. All the file and folder has been copied over to our demo website successfully. Next, we are going to start server. So click on MAMP. Then scroll down. Click on Launcher MAMP application. Click yes. This is the application server for MAMP. So click server to start server. So first it will trigger the Apache server. And Apache server is drive the browser. So as soon as it successfully connected, as you see, it's fire up the browser and it takes port number 888 and the website name is MAMP. But as we know, our website name is demo. And how you know that our website is demo? Let me go back to the htdocs, and as you see, this is the demo. So remove MAMP and type demo, enter. Congratulations. If you see this page loading successfully, so that means we are successfully connect our demo website in the MAMP server. So hit continue. Next, it is asking for the database information. Next video, we will learn how to connect MySQL database with our demo website. Thank you.